Hello students, welcome in 10th Maths Part 2 class. Today we are going to study circle. Before this we have studied circle, with little information regarding circle. In that we have seen congruent circle, concentric circle and intersecting circle. Today we are going to study circle passes through points, means that maybe 1 point, 2 point and 3 points. So we take that one. Here in this figure, a point is on a plane. All three circles center P, Q, R passing through this A point. Means center of P circle is passes through A point and center of Q it passes through A point and circle center R is also passes through A. Here we can say that from one point we will draw many circles. Means from one point you will draw innumerable circles. Means infinite circles. From one point you will draw many circles you can draw. You do it in home. In next we will see that here I have taken same points but a radius is different. P point is the center point of this circle. Q point is this center point of this circle and R point is a center point of this circle. These three radius are changed in this figure. These all three circles having different radius also passes through from one point, that is one point A. Means you can draw many circles from one point. And next we are going to see that in an adjacent figure, how many circles passes through point A and B. See here, we are taken point A and B and we have drawn the perpendicular of AB. On this AB, this is perpendicular line L. On this line L, you take a center point on this and draw the circle. This you will get one circle. Again change the radius and take the center point on this perpendicular only and again draw circle. You will get so many circles here. You just change the radius from this perpendicular line and those all circles passes through this A and B points. Here we are seeing that here also I have taken A and B point and from this first circle I have drawn center point having C. That is, you see first circle that passes through A and B and then second circle you see this one that is having center point O that also passes through point A and B and third circle I have taken center point E that also passes through A and B. Means from this you see that many circles can be drawn from 2 points. How you will draw? You will change the radius. You will change the radius on here this perpendicular and those all circles will pass through this A and B point. A and B point. You do this activity in home. Here in this figure you see that point A, B and C. How circles you draw from these 3 points? Here A point is here, B point is here, and C point is here. Then how many you will draw? We'll see that activity in next. You do the activity, you take line AB, draw the perpendicular of AB. You studied last year that how to draw the perpendicular. We are taking more than half of the distance from this AB and we are making arc for both the sides and by intersect those arcs. Like that, you take the perpendicular of this and you bisect this line also, and this line passes through this O point, and take O point and draw the radius, and that radius will make one circle that passes through all 3 points non-collinear, and that you will get only one circle, not more than one circle you will draw from these non-collinear points. Next, we will see here that if you take 3 collinear points D, E, F, try to draw a circle passing through these points. If you are not able to draw a circle, think of the reason. Before this, you have seen that from non-collinear 3 points, we can draw only one circle. But now here you are going to take collinear points D, E, F, and that is on one line. Then you will draw how many circles you just see, and do practice of these 3 activities. It will help you in the construction. Here, what we have studied today, we have studied infinite circles passes through one point. First activities we are done. Then second activity we have seen that infinite circle passes through 2 distinct points. And third is given, that is we have seen that there is a unique circle passes through 3 non-collinear points, and then you have to do this activity. No circle can pass through 3 collinear points. You do all these 3 activities in home. If you get any problem, you just ask me. We will solve those problems and you will study that more in next information regarding circle in next class. Thank you. If you are having any doubts, you ask me. We will discuss those points. Do the activity in notebook and get it, write it, and ask any doubts on this topic.